Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Kohila, Anatomy faculty. In this presentation, we are going to see about Level 1 Anatomy MCQs available in our Concept app. Which of the following statement is not true about the structure pointed in the given image? Please make a note of it. They've asked you which is not true. Now, have a look into the given image. So, what is it? It's the horizontal section of brain. The yellow arrow is pointing to this area that you see here. Moving on to the options. Option A, it lies in the floor of the lateral sulcus. Option B, it lies submerged from surface. Option C, the anterior cerebral artery lies on its surface. Option D, it is separated from claustrum by extreme capsule. Before clicking on the right choice, we'll have a quick discussion. So what you see here, it's the supralateral surface of the cerebral hemisphere. We know that each cerebral hemisphere is going to be divided into lobes. In front, we have the frontal lobe. Behind, we have the occipital lobe. Below, the temporal lobe. Behind the frontal lobe, we have the parietal lobe. What sulcus separates the frontal and the parietal lobe? The central sulcus. What sulcus separates the frontal and the temporal lobe? The lateral sulcus. The lateral sulcus you see in the supralateral surface, but it actually begins in the inferior surface. Okay, so the lateral sulcus will have a stem which is seen on the inferior surface of the cerebral hemisphere. Once it reaches the supralateral surface, it will divide into a anterior horizontal and anterior ascending rami, and then will continue as the posterior ramus. Okay, now what is this red color area that you see here? If we separate the lips of the posterior ramus of the lateral sulcus, we'll get to see a hidden cortex which is present below the surface. It is called the insular cortex or island of Rayleigh, okay, or the submerged cortex. Why does this happen? In the embryo during development, the areas adjacent to the insular cortex, that is the frontal, the parietal, occipital and the temporal cortex, they develop at a faster rate, okay, than the insular cortex. That's why it gets submerged below the other areas. Now, the same insular cortex we are going to see here in the horizontal section. Okay. Now, can you identify where the insular cortex is here? Not the purple one. Okay. So the insular cortex, as my pointer shows here, can you see it? Okay. This one, that's the insular cortex. So what you see here is the horizontal section of the brain. This is the anterior aspect. That's the posterior aspect. Okay. So this will be the frontal lobe in front and behind the occipital lobe. Okay. This area is the insular cortex where my pointer is exactly. You can see the gray matter of the insular cortex. The white matter that lies beneath the insular cortex is called extreme capsule. The purple one is the claustrum. Okay, claustrum is again gray matter. Beneath the claustrum, the white matter that you see here is external capsule. Please remember, extreme capsule lies outer to claustrum. External capsule lies inner to claustrum. This one is the lentiform nucleus, which has the outer darker putamen and inner paler globus pallidus. And this one, that's the thalamus here. This one, that's the caudate nucleus. Now, the caudate nucleus and the thalamus is separated from the lentiform nucleus by internal capsule. Okay. This image is a very high yield topic in which you can get a lot of questions. So you should be able to identify all the parts that you see in the horizontal section of brain. Coming to the options, remember the question was, Which one is not correct? So option A is incorrect. The lateral sulcus is also called the Sylvian sulcus, and as I told you, it has a stem and 3 rami, anterior ascending, anterior horizontal and posterior ramus. The stem lies on the inferior surface and the 3 rami you get to see on the suprolateral surface of cerebral hemisphere. Option B is incorrect. We have seen that the insular cortex lies submerged and the reason for that. Option D, yes, insular cortex is separated from claustrum by extreme capsule. So the correct answer is option C. That is the one which is incorrect. Okay. So the middle cerebral artery and the deep middle cerebral vein, they lie on the surface of the insular cortex and not the anterior cerebral artery. Okay. Hope this presentation was useful. Do remember to subscribe our Concept YouTube channel and to download the Concept app from Play Store. Thank you.